Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I am going to do December's Beauty Box 5 unboxing. So yay, I got it about a week and a half ago. I kind of got it late this month, I think, because I think today's the 29th of December and I'm just now getting it. I got it last week, but so yeah, here's the box. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I've already opened the tape up with a knife. This is what it looks like inside. Here's the card. It says, just add confetti. Okay, so let's see. This is what it looks like inside. Here we go. $20 gift card. And here are the products. Let me see what they are. Okay, so the first thing on here says it's by Jelly Pong Pong, and it's a liquid gossamer. Liquid gossamer, I don't know what that is. It retails for $22.95 if you get the full size. So it's a lightweight liquid illuminator, I guess. Okay, so let's find that. Here it is. So here's what it looks like. Pretty packaging, pretty colors. Because I love pink, obviously. That's why this room is pink. It's my craft room. And well, now it's my craft room slash beauty room because I'm going to be filming in here now instead of my bedroom. So yeah, I'm still in the middle of kind of decorating things. But yeah, let me see if I can open this. Okay, so I got it open. Let's see what it is. Oh, so I don't know if you can see that. I already have some highlight on, but let's see what it does. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Can you see that? I like it. I'm just using what's on the top here because it kind of was spilling a little bit. Nice. Can you see that? Alrighty, awesome. So like if you're using liquid foundation, liquid blush, you've got a liquid highlighter too. Awesome. Okay, what's the next thing? It's by Neutrogena and it's a rain bath. It's a little trial size. It's a shower and bath gel. I get these all the time. Okay, the next thing is by Amlactin. It's a therapeutic restoring body lotion and it retails for $2.99. Let's see, here it is. Okay, let me see what it smells like. Let me see if it's already open. So it's a body lotion. Do I have to take off the tab, I wonder? Yes, I do. Alright, so let's get this off right here. I always have problems opening things up, don't I? Half the time is spent with me opening stuff. Alrighty then. Got it! Alright, so now let's see. Here we go. I want to see what it smells like. Feels nice. I don't know what it smells like yet, but it feels nice. It smells like, almost smells like oatmeal. Like maple syrup oatmeal. It's funny. It's making me hungry. Alright, so there's that. The next thing on my list is by Professional. It's a freezing finish spray and it retails for $3. So yeah, I guess it's like when you style your hair, this just holds it in place. So yeah, I've never actually, I guess I've never used a freezing spray. I'm assuming it's a lot like hairspray. I don't know. So yeah, I'll have to try this. I don't like how my hair looks right now. I need to actually go take a shower and wash my hair, so I'm not gonna freeze it in its nastiness right now. No, it's not nasty. I'll use that next time that I do my hair and see how it works. Okay, and lastly is by Hikari, and it's a lip gloss that retails for $13. Let's see. I like Hikari. I use Hikari blush, Hikari eyeshadows all the time. And this one is called Fate. Let's see what it looks like. And I just barely have a little bit of a lip balm on, so let me go ahead and try this color on, see what it looks like. So this is what it is. Let's see. Ooh, let's try this on. Ooh, it's dark. that's what's in December's Beauty Box 5 box. I really like this color. I probably need a darker eyeshadow and stuff. I barely have any eyeshadow on right now. I have a very, very, very light amount of eyeshadow. I didn't feel like putting on too much makeup today. So yeah. Alrighty guys, so that was it. This didn't take very long, under 10 minutes this time, yay! So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I'm going to start another video here in a second, another unboxing. I got another package, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this in another video. So I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. I hope you enjoyed this beauty box. Let me know what you got in your December's Beauty Box 5, if you got anything different than mine. If you got a different lip gloss color, I would love to see yours. Alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Bye! Mwah.